Dive into the 62 must-know concepts necessary for acing the Painter and Decorator Red Seal license exam. Access comprehensive preparation materials at www.cannycollege.com to ensure you are fully prepared for success. 1. Uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. Involves wearing safety gear such as goggles, gloves, masks, and hard hats to protect oneself from potential hazards in the work environment. 2. Maintains a safe work environment. Involves ensuring that the work area is organized, clean, and free of safety hazards to prevent accidents and promote a secure workspace. 3. Maintains tools and equipment. Involves regularly cleaning, inspecting, and servicing painting tools and equipment to ensure they are in good working condition and ready for use. 4. Uses rigging, hoisting, and lifting equipment. Involves operating equipment such as pulleys, hoists, and cranes to lift and move heavy materials or equipment safely and efficiently. 5. Uses access equipment. Involves utilizing ladders, scaffolding, lifts, or platforms to reach and work at elevated heights while painting or decorating surfaces. 6. Uses documentation. Involves referring to project plans, specifications, and safety regulations to guide work activities and ensure compliance with industry standards. 7. Determines project requirements. Involves identifying client needs, specifications, and expectations for the painting or decorating project to plan and execute the job effectively. 8. Plans job. Involves organizing tasks, materials, and resources required for the painting or decorating project to meet deadlines, budget constraints, and quality standards. 9. Protects surroundings. Involves covering and securing surfaces, furniture, and fixtures in the work area to prevent damage from paint spills, dust, or debris. 10. Handles materials. Involves safely storing, handling, mixing, and applying paint, coatings, and other materials required for the painting and decorating work. 11. Performs quality control assessments. Involves inspecting completed work for adherence to specifications, finish quality, and customer satisfaction before finalizing the project. 12. Assesses substrate conditions and deficiencies. Involves evaluating the condition of the surface to be painted or decorated, identifying imperfections, cracks, or damage that may need repair or preparation. 13. Assesses product conditions and deficiencies. Involves checking the quality and consistency of paints, primers, fillers, or other products to ensure they meet the required standards for the project. 14. Assesses the quality of painted or coated surfaces and wall coverings. Involves examining finished surfaces for uniformity, coverage, adhesion, and durability to assess the success of the painting or decorating work and address any defects or touch-ups needed. 15. Removes existing paints and coatings. Involves stripping off old paint or coatings from surfaces using various methods such as scraping, sanding, or chemical strippers to prepare them for new applications. 16. Removes existing wall coverings and adhesives. Involves taking down wallpaper or other wall coverings and removing any adhesive residue left behind to create a clean surface for redecorating. 17. Clean surfaces. Involves washing, scrubbing, or dusting surfaces to remove dirt, grime, grease, or other contaminants before painting or decorating to ensure better adhesion and finish. Prime surfaces involves applying a primer coat to surfaces to seal, protect, and create a suitable base for paint or other decorative finishes, promoting adhesion and enhancing durability. 19. Sand surfaces. Involves using sandpaper or sanding equipment to smooth rough or uneven surfaces, remove old finish, or prepare wood for painting or staining. He applies caulking. This involves filling gaps, cracks, or joints with caulking material to seal and waterproof surfaces, preventing air or moisture infiltration and ensuring a seamless finish. 21. Prepares wood surfaces for paints, coatings, and wall coverings. Involves inspecting, cleaning, sanding, and priming wood surfaces to enhance adhesion, durability, and finish quality of paint or coatings. 2. Treats wood surfaces. Involves applying wood treatments such as sealers, stains, or preservatives to protect against moisture, rot, insects, or UV damage, and enhance the natural beauty of the wood. 23. Repairs imperfections in wood. Involves filling holes, cracks, or damaged areas in wood surfaces using wood fillers, epoxy, or putty to restore smoothness and structural integrity before finishing. 24. Mechanically treats concrete and masonry surfaces. Involves using tools like grinders, sanders, or shot blasting equipment to prepare concrete or masonry surfaces by roughening, leveling, or cleaning for coating or repair work. 25. Chemically treats concrete and masonry surfaces. Involves applying chemical cleaners, strippers, etchers, or sealers to concrete or masonry surfaces to remove stains and coatings or prepare for new finishes. 26. Repairs concrete and masonry surfaces. Involves patching, resurfacing, or filling cracks, spalls, or damaged areas in concrete or masonry using appropriate repair materials to restore strength and appearance. 27. Treats metal surfaces. Involves cleaning, priming, and painting metal surfaces to protect against corrosion, rust, or weathering, ensuring a durable and attractive finish. 28. Repairs metal surfaces. This involves fixing dents, scratches, or other damage on metal surfaces by sanding, filling, smoothing, or repainting to restore the appearance and integrity of the metal. 29. Repairs existing plaster surfaces and drywall. Involves patching, filling, or smoothing damaged areas on plaster or drywall surfaces using joint compound, spackle, or tape to prepare them for painting or finishing. B. Finishes new drywall. Involves applying primer, texture, paint, or wallpaper to newly installed drywall to complete the surface and achieve the desired appearance in a fresh construction or renovation project. 31. Prepares residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings. Involves mixing, thinning, tinting, and preparing paints and coatings for application based on project requirements and manufacturer specifications. 32. Installs residential, institutional, and commercial reinforcing mesh. Involves setting up and securing reinforcing mesh or wire mesh materials to reinforce surfaces like concrete or stucco for increased strength and durability. 33. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with brushes. Involves using paint brushes to apply paints and coatings to various surfaces, ensuring precise application and coverage. 34. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with rollers. Involves using paint rollers to efficiently apply paints and coatings to large surface areas, achieving smooth and uniform coverage. 35. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with applicators. Involves using various applicators such as pads, sponges, or sprayers to apply paints and coatings to achieve different textures or finishes. 36. Applies residential, institutional, and commercial paints and coatings with spray equipment. Involves using airless or HVLP, high-volume, low-pressure spray equipment to apply paints and coatings quickly and evenly, ideal for large surface areas. 37. Applies paints and coatings using decorative techniques. Involves applying paints and coatings in decorative patterns or designs, such as marbling, ragging, or sponging to create unique and artistic finishes. 38. Creates faux finishes. Involves replicating the appearance of materials like marble, wood, or stone, using painting techniques to achieve decorative and realistic finishes. 39. Applies gilding. Involves applying thin layers of gold leaf or metallic leaf to surfaces for a luxurious and ornate decorative effect. 40. Applies stencils and graphics. Involves using stencils to create precise designs, patterns, or motifs on surfaces by applying paint or coatings through the stencil openings. 1. Creates textured finishes. Involves adding texture to surfaces through techniques like stippling, troweling, or combing to enhance visual interest and tactile appeal. 2. Applies multi-spec coatings. Involves applying multicolor or multi-textured coatings to surfaces for decorative or protective purposes, often used in commercial or institutional settings for enhanced aesthetics and durability. 43. Treats surfaces for wall coverings. Involves preparing walls or surfaces for the application of wall coverings by cleaning, repairing imperfections, and applying primers or sealers to ensure proper adhesion and a smooth finish. 4. Lays out surface. This involves measuring and marking the wall or surface to determine the layout and placement of wall coverings, ensuring proper alignment and pattern continuity. 45. Prepares wall coverings. Involves cutting, trimming, and matching wall coverings to fit the dimensions of the wall or surface, ensuring seamless transitions and an aesthetically pleasing result. 46. Applies adhesives. Involves applying the appropriate adhesive or paste to the back of wall coverings, ensuring even coverage and proper adhesion to the wall or surface. Installs vinyl wall coverings. Involves hanging vinyl wall coverings, which are durable, easy to clean, and available in a wide range of colors and patterns on walls or surfaces using the specified installation method. 48. Installs fabric and natural material wall coverings. Involves hanging fabric or natural material wall coverings, such as grass cloth or silk, to add texture, warmth, and luxury to walls or surfaces, using specialized techniques to handle delicate materials. 49. Installs rigid wall coverings. Involves installing rigid wall coverings such as wood paneling, beadboard, or tile to add structure, architectural interest, and durability to walls or surfaces, ensuring proper alignment and secure attachment. 50. Repairs existing wall coverings. This involves patching, filling, or reattaching damaged or peeling wall coverings, and addressing visible imperfections or wear to restore the appearance and integrity of the wall covering and surface. 51. Prepares for wood finishing applications. Involves inspecting, sanding, and cleaning wood surfaces to ensure they are smooth, free of imperfections, and ready to receive the wood finish for staining, painting, or treatment. 52. Conditions of wood surfaces. Involves applying pre-stain or wood conditioner to raw wood surfaces to even out absorption, prevent blotchiness, and promote uniform color penetration of wood stains or finishes. 53. Applies wood fillers. Involves using wood fillers or putty to fill in cracks, gaps, holes, or imperfections in wood surfaces before finishing to create a smooth and flawless surface. 54. Seals wood surfaces. Involves applying wood sealer or sanding sealer to wood surfaces to seal the grain, enhance stain uniformity, and create a barrier that promotes adhesion and protects the wood. 55. Prepares wood finishing products. Involves mixing, thinning, or preparing wood. Finishing products such as stains, varnishes, lacquers, or oils according to manufacturer specifications for proper application and desired results. 56. Brushes on wood finishes. Involves using brushes to apply wood finishes such as stains, varnishes, or paints to wood surfaces, ensuring even application, coverage, and finish quality. 57. Wipes on wood finishes. Involves using a rag or cloth to apply wipe-on finishes such as oils or gel stains to wood surfaces, creating a hand-rubbed finish with a smooth, even appearance. 58. Sprays on wood finishes. Involves using airless spray equipment, HVLP sprayers, or compressed air sprayers to apply wood finishes efficiently and evenly to achieve a smooth, professional finish on wood surfaces. 59. Prepares industrial paints and coatings. Involves mixing, thinning, tinting, and preparing industrial paints and coatings for application in industrial settings, following manufacturer guidelines and specific project requirements. 60. Installs fiber-reinforced plastics, FRP. Involves fitting, securing, and bonding glass fiber-reinforced plastics or composites to surfaces in industrial applications, such as strengthening structures, creating corrosion-resistant barriers, or improving insulation properties. 61. Applies industrial paints and coatings with hand tools. Involves using manual hand tools such as brushes, rollers, sprayers, or pads to apply industrial-grade paints and coatings on various surfaces in industrial settings, ensuring proper coverage and finish. 62. Applies industrial paints and coatings with power tools. Involves utilizing power tools such as airless sprayers, HVLP, high-volume, low-pressure guns, or paint pumps to apply industrial paints and coatings efficiently and accurately on large surfaces or in high-production environments.